the Whiteline tie rod ends, lower boulder joint is installed on the STi. Not too bad of a job. You got that pinch bolt there, you got the 19 there, the pinch bolt's 14. You know, they all come out pretty relatively easily. You also have to undo the end link, which is actually was a pain because it spins. You need to put an Allen in there. Those are replacement end links. Those are Cusco end links. But these white lines just installed. Hopefully it fixes the bump steer. What they do is they add an extra inch or so to give the geometry back to the suspension, since it's lowered. It kind of lowers the with the space. It's kind of like a spacer. It lowers the control arm of the tie rod end. But that was installed, not too bad. Actually a pain in the neck is, don't forget, you need to remove the insert cone from the old ones, and I had to rent a puller to pull that at last minute. But yeah, so it's installed. I actually, you know, I loosened everything. I knocked the lower control arm with a piece of wood, came right out, and wasn't too bad. All right, that's it.